Hi, my name is Jessica, and in 5 years, I hope to be working with young adults negatively impacted by the criminal justice system. I'm hoping to be advocating for alternatives to prosecution so that instead of receiving jail or prison time for their alleged crimes, my clients are given the opportunity to participate in outpatient treatment, move into supportive housing, and connect to local organizations doing social justice work. So I could employ sex positive practices in a number of ways. First, many of my clients will likely be sexually active and experimenting and in and out of romantic relationships. I work with young adults right now, and that is very much so the case. So I mentioned this in our discussion this week, and I'll say it again. I think that conversations around consent are some of the most important to have, especially with youth and young adults. So I will engage in open and non-judgmental conversations with my clients about what consent means to them and what it might mean to somebody else. I could use the pizza metaphor to highlight how there is a lot of varieties of sex, that everyone has different preferences, and that conversations around preferences before eating the pizza or before having the sex ensures that everyone experiences enjoyable sexual encounter. So I could also discuss with my clients how to protect against unwanted pregnancies and STDs. And I try to do this now. I always try to normalize regular health checkups, STD tests, pap smears, etc., by offering to make appointments for them at Planned Parenthood or make appointments with them by driving them to appointments and or even accompanying them to appointments if they want me there. So by creating an environment in which conversations about sex, sexual health, and human sexuality are standard, comfortable, open-minded, and supportive, hopefully my clients will feel comfortable coming to me with any questions or concerns that they have. And I don't really have any burning questions at this point, but it's been wonderful working with you all, and I will see some of you next semester.